So, we're done. Hammer's head, done. Pipes on, calipers on. That's it, done. Shocks, no, can't find the things. Driven this nut up, that one will go up. That one's alright, that's all fine. That's fine. Got the anti-roll bar on, that's fine. We've got one issue. Can't find these spacers. Only got two of them. Find out you've lost one already. No, there's one. I need two more of these. Can't find them anywhere. I've searched everywhere. It's bloody annoying, really. But anyway, the hub is on for the driver's side, and apart from the space in the thing, end flow is pretty good. So I think that's going to be all right. I think I'll gauge that pretty bloody close. I'm going to say something to you now, guys, that the calipers, right, are XA6, but the discs are, all right, they're 3.8 E Type, and they are slightly about 1/4 inch too small. Now, I'm not going to change it. I'm not going to, because for the amount of miles this is going to do, is it going to really matter? So no, it's going to go with what I've got. So I found a load of bits here which are really quite interesting, which fell on the bloody floor when you weren't looking. These things go on here. There's a spring goes from there to there. So the spring's down there, one from here goes to there, it pulls that apart. Got this to make up, obviously, which is the next thing. But at the moment, calipers are in. Pads, obviously, you can see because the discs are slightly smaller. But, oh God, is that going to matter? Not this bloody lifetime, isn't it? Oh yeah, miles we're going to do. I'm still contemplating using the gas on. I seriously might could use the gas. I might use these. I've got 4 of them and they're quite nice condition. So they could be infinitely better than bloody old bollocks Jaguar ones. So maybe we'll use those. But for the minute, I'm going to say we've had a few issues with, we got all that with the towing iron like crap. We've got, go over here to the cold bit. We managed to break this. Oh, so you guys are going to go, yeah. Well, we freed it off. But we managed to break this. Now this because it's an E Type one, has got this, and this goes into. Like that escaped right there. Oh God, help me! Why am I here? So that is bollocks. Now I've tapped the thread. I've got another one of these. So because I've got to have this, because I've got to make this adjustable. So that's in the bin. So I've got that. It's going to go on to this other side, right? Yeah, which is that goes right to there. I think that's exactly it. That goes to there. That goes to there. That goes on there and goes to the other side. So we freed all that up. It works all nice, so that should look good. Find loads and loads of things, which we've got to find some more of those. Over there I've got some, so I'll find that. That back axle has fought me all day. Only because of 2 bloody spacers for the shocks, otherwise it'd be done. And, which is really annoying because, like I say, I really want to do that. But rest of it, I think what I've got to say to you guys is I'm going to have to pack it in. I've got to stop now because I've got to go in. It's bloody freezing up here. It is bloody freezing. So I can't say I'm going to finish the other side. I'll do that tomorrow at a later date. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, just remember, it gets worse. If you didn't enjoy it, don't look, because it's too painful. Because sometimes I can't wake up and I don't want to watch either. Especially when I see these people, like, they've got these lovely black axles that are all shiny and it's perfect, it's all brand new. And it's like, you go, so what's original? They go, well, it's all original. You go, well, what is original? They go, all of it. You go, but what? They go, well, none of it is original. Actually, maybe the diff might be original. No, we changed the diff because it's an American car, 354. So, what is original about that back axle? Well, the none of it, because the cage is new, the diff's the wrong one, the calipers are reconditioned, the drive shafts might be original, the hubs possibly could be off anything. The hubs, but the actual spline tabs are probably in motor wheel services. The bottom wishbones could be original, probably unlikely. But in reality, Most of these original rebuilt back axles are not that original. They're not that bloody new. There's nothing original about them. And what's really good is that they're also great. They look great, but I don't see the logic in it. If you